How to get tax form from DoorDash. Get 1099 tax form. If you want to get 1099 tax form from DoorDash, here if I open up a certain help article from DoorDash which says how to download your 1099 tax form. Well, if you create a Stripe Express account and agree to paperless delivery, Stripe will email you to let you know when your 1099 tax form is available for download via Stripe Express. Now, if you don't agree to paperless delivery, Stripe will mail you a paper copy of your 1099 tax form instead. So right here you can see you will receive an email that looks like this within Stripe Express. If you go to your tax forms and you have agreed to paperless delivery, then you can get this online copy of your tax form which you can download it. If you're not okay with online copy, then of course you can just choose to get the mail delivered to your desired address instead. And this is how you can get your 1099 tax form on DoorDash. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.